Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this silver and black rhinestone makeup look. To start this look, I used tape to create a sharp edge. And I used the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for the black shade. And I'm going to be using this mostly as an eyeliner. And I'm going to be putting this right up against the tape. Then I'm blending it out for a more diffused look. Next, I'm extending the eyeliner above the crease to create sort of a winged look. Next, I'm using the NYX Avant Pop palette, and I'm going to be using the sparkly silver shade. And I'm going to be filling in the eyelid section, keeping it on the lid and not going any further than where we put the eyeliner. Then I remove the tape and clean up any edges. Next, I'll be adding some rhinestones, and I'm putting a few in the inner corner. Then I'm adding 2 on the inner part of the wing. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. Then to complete the look, I used a NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in a dark gray shade. And that completes this silver and black rhinestone makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.